across the ring, fighting out the red corner, the one and only Carl James, the Wonder Boy Martin.
Introduction is complete. And we're all set for this 10th-round fight. Weapon na nagtala sa tagumpay sa mga katulad ni na Oscar De La Hoya, Martin, the Wonder Boy. Nagkaroon po ng injury sa kanyang dibdib. He was supposed to fight. He admitted na nangapa siya ron at medyo kinalito para pagdating sa laban ay yun nga, magkaroon po ng umabawasan if ever yung sinasabing parang yung depensa ni Joshua Clottey na masyadong masikip. Maganda rin yung bob and weaving nitong Oscar Dugue. A good right as of the layoff. So talagang merong mag-southpaw stance ito. Kasi merong ganung forma rin minsan ng kaliwa itong si Oscar Dugue. A good counter to the... And based on what I saw sa mga previous fights, si Oscar Dugue mas aktibo sa... Makikita mo, may galaw, ano? Itong si Oscar Dugue. Oh, good. Jab straight. First round is enough para sa kanila. Good body shot by Carl James Martin. James Martin. Oscar Dugue ng isang magandang kanan from Martin. As compared sa first round, nakukuha niya. Maganda patama sa katawan, pero sabi na po natin Carl James Martin, his work cut out for him. Carl James Martin. Oh, tumama ng kanan doon. Parang ganun din ginawa niya. Parang nagpapawis lang ng first round. So back and forth action. Singero, as we enter the last 10 seconds of the second round. Body scheduled for 10. Carl James Martin from the Philippines against... Balik agad sa ring. Maganda yung mga patama ni Martin sa katawan pero bumabalik itong si Oscar Dugue. Fighters. Oh, gandang counter left from Oscar Dugue. This Tanzania dun sa kanyang kababayan ang si Ibo sa kanyang opensa at marunong kumounter katulad nun. That was a counter right. Much better round. Habang tumatagal gumaganda yung kanyang Kita nyo yung depensa na yun ni Oscar Dugue at Oscar Dugue living up to yung expectation sa kanya na magandang depensa at mayroong pampabaon. Biglang may lusot na kanan from Oscar Dugue. Body shot from Carl James. Wins, 5 losses. Bakit siya kinuha ng camp ni of a fight scheduled for 10? Carl James Martin from... And mukhang yung jab ni Carl, hindi pa rin natin masasabi na effective dito until ito nga po nangyari. Nakita na. Pero parang kulang sa snap yung suntok ni Martin. Good uppercut. Nag-i-improve na yung kanyang timing. At ang maganda rito, at least nabibigyan siya ng ibang klaseng style ni Oscar Dugue. So kita niyo naman yung pawis ni Carl. Although sa tansya natin parang walang masyadong threat in terms of ng mga suntok na pwede niyang asahan. Now that plano nga po nila na Oscar Dugue, relax ka lang brother, nandito pa ako. Punta rito ni Oscar Dugue, a good right-left combo from Carl Martin. Jab straight at mukhang nasaktan si Oscar Dugue but still showing a lot of toughness. Taking a lot of punishment from... But mapapansin, playing mind games na kunyari pagod na para makakita rin ng opening. Carl Martin, uppercut. Kasama natin dito. Isang masipag at very group. Kasama po natin dito, very professional. And Oscar trying to break the defense of Carl James Martin. If ever, kung meron mga na-i-offer dito si Oscar Dugue. Mas maganda yung bob and weave, maganda yung sa mukha, pati sa katawan. Tulad niya. And Oscar Dugue attacking Carl. He's trying to open up yung depensa. At yun yung uppercut. Usually yan, walang depensa dyan To stand in front of your opponent tapos bibitawan ka ng uppercut wala nga tipigil dun. Oh. And probably maganda yung forma na nag-ensayo. No? And he kept himself in shape. Nag-iensayo. Oh, good right from Oscar Dugue. Another right. Oscar Dugue. For Oscar Dugue, posible yan. Siguro kung tatama pa na isa. Samantala, round number 6. Turn run action. At napailing doon si Carl James Martin. He knew na tinamaan siya. You know, whatever mga patama ni Oscar Duque, probably yung depensa ni Carl James Martin. Oh, good left hook. Kanina pa binabato yun. Body shot by... And Martin being aggressive here. Parehong kamay nakaangat. Body shot by Carl James Martin. Martin trying to finish this bout. Oscar Dugue fighting back. And a looping left. But si Oscar Dugue, still threat yung mga suntok ni Oscar Dugue. Kaya siguro inaatake na ni Carl James Martin. Natin I think perhaps realizing na kaya niya yung suntok ni Oscar Duque. Katulad doon, isang kanan rather mula kay Oscar Duque. Meron na tayong nakikitang konting maga sa left eye from Carl James Martin, pero makikita mo si Oscar Dugue hindi total backpedal no? Si Oscar Dugue minsan meron ding abante. Atin yung mga kaibigan natin sa Trophy C. Oy, tumama ron si pati na natin lahat. Gabriel Bebot Elorde, Boss Johnny Elorde, and Miss Liza Elorde. I think maraming question marks sa team, ano? Tignan nila, no? If ever matapos ito ng ganito, Carl James Martin, in some ways nakakayanan din. Masaktan dito si Oscar Pantleoff. Training, pinatama ni Oscar Dugue. Bawi naman ng kanan. Oscar Dugue, last 10 seconds. About scheduled for 10. Dennis Principe bringing you the action live mula po rito sa Elorde Sports Complex. Martin, but at the same time, posible rin gumagawa ng or nagkakaroon ng lakas ng loob si Dugue na if ever, and again, balikan ko lang yung sinasabing anong magandang napala rito ni or napapal point. Ayun, pinagpawisan siya. Kung meron mang kalawang, pwedeng dito napapagpag niya na yung timing parating nandun, yung lakas parating nandun. A tough assignment in terms of him. Sabi niya na gusto niya mangyari dito to be the first fighter na Dugue. Up to this point, hindi pa natin masabi na nasasaktan niya si Oscar Dugue because good one, two. Kanyang opensa aktibo naman. Marami siya mga patama. At yung kanyang that to his conditioning coach Mel Lantin ng Fit 21. Sa lakas dito si Martin, the conditioning one. Oscar Dugue from Tanzania, at least 3 rounds humihiga. Dito nagbibigay siya ng problema kay Carl. Iba siya sa kanyang ginagalaw dito. Itong si Oscar Dugue. So maraming pwedeng pag-aralan dito si Carl James Martin. Oh, good body shot. Na maski doon pa napapansin na rin natin na malakas pero hindi tumatama. Sa katawan, but ang tanong is, tama ba yung time? Yun ang tanong doon. We're getting some punishment kay Carl James Martin. Now, Carl James Martin attacking the Martin going. And Martin. Out eh. Sir. Si 10th and final round. Carl James Martin. Marito si Martin in terms of notching a victory. Maraming dapat i-assess. At nagaling siya sa 8-month layoff. Yun na lang siguro pwedeng isipin. Ano? Baka saktan niya si Carl James Martin. A good left jab by pag-aralan ni Carl James Martin. Ano? Yung mga ganong patama siguro kaharap niya is isang rated na Mexican. Baka bigla and not take anyone for granted. He took Oscar Duque for granted, but every opponent at para katulad mo, gusto rin manalo ng knockout. And that's the end of the fight.
The Wonder
Have big punches, but that is the man from China, and Philippus Kutumbua.
Very early in the first round. You know, it's too early in the round. You can't really tell because you want to see what the other guy is made of. You can't just go through it. You can, but you need to be very careful because
And that is what he orchestrated in the start there. And he is in the stages of this fight. But what I can tell you is that Huang,
he's focused on his own. That's why at this level, motivated. He was so motivated because he went away from home, and then he comes here and he says to find himself intended to be a world champion. Because I mean, it means a lot to energy. It means a lot to the drama as well. A win for
Lent started the opponent in the first round. He's in this second round. And I was talking about him winning by knockout. It doesn't happen very often.
But then again, you look at the legs and the abs. You know, it looks to be so powerful. And like I said, energy mustn't make a mistake. You know, as much as he was really living to his expectation, I think that we and then one thing that the guys
That's great.
or the punch of the night. So these guys, they're out there and they're all throwing a big shot.
4 years difference between the two. I don't know how much that will matter in this bout. Two orthodox fighters confronting each other, and it's Gitumbua who has won in the corner, and Gitumbua is trying to connect with everything that he knows in the name of boxing. And it's Gitumbua still at a couple of punches there in terms of his energy and how much is he left with.
I know both of them, these guys, they're prepared to go the 12th round. If a knockout happens, obviously it will be a bonus for them. But all of them, I think they are all ready and prepared just to go out for full down the 12th round. And this fight is living, like I say, it's living the expectation. The fans are enjoying it and every second of it.
It's a time for Huang now to try and connect.
And if that you also, then the Guang comes back and then you reply. And then, so for now, for here, yes, maybe slightly on our cards, maybe might be in front. But then the Guang is not far away from it because he is really there. One want to waste it, so they need that energy throughout the whole tour.
I know that on the front foot, round 5 is Huang.
So it's coming in and throwing that.
About over 2 minutes remaining of the first round, and Philippus Gitumbua is coming up with questions, uppercuts.
That throw all
Most
those
of them
uppercuts, those are
really-
that guard is there because any mistake you get away, and those punches catch you.
Those
You won't be able to
big punches that are
survive them.
coming from energy, but really Huang is collecting punches. Those are great combinations. Again, they're coming from the Namibian. He is up and ready to finish this one off. He's trying to punish the man from.
They can probably be penalized for it as well, or be punished for it. So he must make sure that whatever he can, whatever he throws, he must give.
Heavy punches are just one, but energy continues to really poking holes in the Chinese.
This guy is an easy guy because
There's another combinations from
And
energy. We are not halfway yet there. And it's not how much oil does he still have in his tank, and he's one now, and energy will try to protect him.
the corner must really do something to make sure that the leadership.
I'm not sure about energy's energy at this moment.
No, as if like he's not there anymore, so that they can allow him to come and try see if he can go and get through into the big shot of his.
And one thing that I have learned also now in the last 6 rounds, he's connecting.
He is because it's just because we are here, you are not feeling it, but obviously energy is feeling those punches. But then the only one who's hitting.
Oh, there comes a right from energy again.
The only one who's feeling those punches is only you in the ring. So basically that's
Now
what's
it's
happening
one
here.
coming forward. It's left hand of the last half.
I think that protector, it's not giving him, I think it's giving him.
Energy trying to get around. Blow by blow, body punches, body shots are coming from Huang.
But Huang also seems to be very strong for me as well. Those punches that I get to
Speed.
until round 7 now. I mean, the power, the speed that these guys are using, I mean, nothing has changed. From round 1 to round 7 now until so far, they are using the same power that's into round 8. That's in the few seconds.
Energy. You see Huang now.
Been sitting and watching. But then you can always see the time.
Back on that right eye. Want to try to. And now it is Huang who dishing out punishment on Energy Gitumbua. And Energy Gitumbua.
Lying on the rope, I think you need to get away from the rope.
And now it's the table boxes. It is exciting moments. It is a bout. And it's Huang who is early on the offense.
We are now getting into the championship round, which is everything very important. I think with the way it
Tigran
goes,
Huang who's pushing for something.
he's really pushing the fight over to Energy.
Huang. Chumbua. Uppercuts try to work them through.
All the viewers at home, or wherever they are, throughout this whole country, wherever they are, I mean, each and everyone is.
Of Huang. Very much impressive. Comes another left in there. And the right from Gitumbua. Go for a body shot. Uppercut, punch in the air. And he's the bout that they've left up to the expectations. Now we are at those moments where it is very crucial to try and get. Oh, there comes another left right there from Huang. He knows that his life depends on this. Good combinations.
He doesn't really want to be there and try to exchange. Make sure he must try to get away from it. Because if you make a mistake and anyone goes down there.
Goes strong again. Gitumbua on the back foot, still fighting his way out of trouble. It is Huang now.
So, and even those last few seconds, don't want to make a mistake because anything, like I said, don't look away because if you blink your eye, anything can happen, and then you might probably just miss that big fight.
Final few rounds here. Tries to finish it off very strong, and Huang also. Tigran Huang want to finish it as strong as possible.
The last few seconds, the last
Give
10 seconds.
the headache to the judges.
10 seconds to the last one.
10 seconds remaining. Philippus Gitumbua. Huang now. Try to finish it off. And that's the end of the fight.
A very exciting fight.
Word.
A fight that lived up to its
That was
expectations. The guys have
beautifully
lived to the
orchestrated.
expectations.